Hey guys, I'm with my friends because it's for my birthday tomorrow. And yeah. Look at how many thingies I got.
Come here. Yeah.
We both move. You can't see her, but that's okay. We're gonna go in the hot tub and do lots of crazy things. I can see you. And yeah, we're like really bored, but that's okay. No, it's not. I'm stocking Paige. You know what are super good? You guys should go buy these. 4 cheese Cheez-Its. They're amazing. And you would love them. So watch. Yum, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh, this one came from Minnesota.
We're eating a magazine. And we're gonna go because we're effing bored. So he's like, goodbye.